Spencer. Camden, throw it to Masai. Camden. Honey, throw it to Masai. Throw it right here, honey. Throw it here. Throw it this way. No. Go get it. Camden, go get it. Get the ball. And then come throw it back to Masai, okay? And he'll throw it back to you. Okay. Camden, throw it over here. Camden. There you go, Masai. See how he throws it to you? Throw it back. There you go. Good. Not too hard. There we go. Good, Camden. You did it. Just like that. Nice throw. No. Messiah, good throwing. Camden, I know you know how to throw it. Haley. Haley. Am I getting you? Where'd it go? Nice throw. Now, how is Masai going to get it, Camden, if you keep throwing it over on the side of him? He'll learn. He'll learn to do it the right way, honey. He's being just goofy this morning.